People are flying here from all over the world to get work done with the incredible team at Smith Plastic Surgery here in Vegas. From the private recovery rooms to the outstanding results, every patient is getting the star treatment. Now, this city is known for its beauty and the people that come here, to the entertainers and performers. Is that why you moved to Vegas to practice?
Oh, exactly. There's a lot of people who depend on their looks here. And because of that demand, and because LA is kind of saturated, I chose to come here, and I'm really grateful that I did. It's kept me busy, and it made me a better plastic surgeon.
And now, you've worked on over 19,000 patients. How long have you been doing this?
I've been practicing for about 16, 17 years.
Well, it explains why you have so many awards in your hallways. What are your most recent awards?
Well, I've been lucky. Recently, we had the good fortune to win every award regarding plastic surgery in Nevada, the 3 that were given out. So I'm grateful for my current patients and my past patients who voted for me as Best Cosmetic Surgeon, Best Breast Augmentation Surgery, and Best Surgery Center.
And what are the procedures that you offer here?
The most common thing I do is still breast augmentation and breast lifts and kind of reconstructive breast surgery, meaning repairing. The next most common is Brazilian butt lifts.
And you were one of the first surgeons to start this.
That's correct. I've been doing that for 13, 14 years. For most surgeons, they only started doing that in the last 3 or 4 or 5 years, as it's become more popular. But I was one of the pioneers in that field.
Now, you have private recovery rooms here, which I just assume every center has.
We have 3,000 square feet dedicated to that. And in my new center, we're building 2 nicer overnight recovery suites where patients can stay.
Now, with so many plastic surgeons out there, how do you pick the right one?
That's a really good question. Make sure you pick one who is board certified in plastic surgery. So make sure they're not just board certified, make sure it's the right board. Look at their before and afters. Before and afters say a lot about the surgeon, So you want to have a lot of before and afters in the surgery that you're interested in. And then pick the one that you feel most comfortable with. Because when you do that, it's best for both of you. Usually it's kind of like a marriage. You want to both match.
You have a surgery right now.
We've got a patient we've operated on before. She's a sweet woman, but she'd like us to lift her eyebrows just a little higher. So we're going to go in and we're going to do a little eyebrow lift.
Well, this is going to be my first time in the OR room. I guess I should get in my scrubs.
Yeah, it'll be exciting. You'll love it. We've lasered her face, which got rid of a lot of the fine wrinkles, but again, we're kind of just doing a mini lift, okay? We're not doing like the full lift. But even the full lift doesn't take more than about an hour. The truth is it's a real team effort. And just a few minutes in here, and we can set you back 10 years. There's nothing painful going on, so she's not in any pain.
Smith Surgery is a real VIP experience. Talk about winning big in Vegas. To find out more, go to smithsurgery.com.